Chapter 3, DNA in People. Today, Mr. Kinder tells the class they will learn more about DNA. He says, this week we will learn about DNA in people. Mr. Kinder asks the class to look around the room again. Are we all the same? Todd sees that some of his friends are boys and some are girls. Some of his friends are tall and some are short. 2 students have blue eyes, and 1 student has curly hair. Every person is different because of DNA. I know we are all different, says Todd, but people say I look like my dad. Right again, Todd, says Mr. Kinder. That is DNA at work too. Mr. Kinder explains that Todd looks like his dad because some of his DNA came from him. Mr. Kinder explains that our DNA comes from our parents. When you were born, some of your mom's DNA and some of your dad's DNA were passed to you. Both parents' DNA is in your cells, says Mr. Kinder. This makes you look like your dad or have the same eye color as your mom. We get DNA from both our parents. The DNA tells our cells what to do. DNA tells our cells to make us a boy or a girl. DNA can tell our cells to make our eyes or hair a certain color. These are traits that make you different from the others around you. These traits are also what make you and your parents look alike. Let's review what we have learned about DNA in people, says Mr. Kinder. We get our DNA from both parents. DNA makes us look different from others. We may look like our parents because we share their DNA. That was Chapter 3, DNA in People. Let's try answering some questions about Chapter 3. Question 1. What is this chapter about? DNA in people, DNA in airplanes, or DNA in fish?
DNA in people.
That's right. This chapter was about DNA in people. Question 2. What does DNA make all students in class? Desks, different, or pencils?
Different.
That's right. Our DNA makes us all look different. Question 3. What do students have that is different? Book, homework, or hair?
Hair.
That's right. Our hair is all different. Number 4. Who may you look like? Mom, dog, or teacher?
Mom.
That's right. You might look like your mom because you share some DNA with your mom. Number 5. What is important to know about this chapter? We get DNA from our parents. DNA is always changing, or parents should go to school.
We get our DNA from our parents.
That's right. It's important to know that we get our DNA from our parents. Now that we've finished answering these questions, it's time for you to read your story in your seesaw activity. Once you're finished, try answering the questions at the end. Great job, you guys!